Yeah, 3 of them. Oh, wait.
Take
I
off.
took 3. It's fun.
Addy mode.
I forgot to give Leah hers. Leah needed one, but I forgot to give it to her. I'll have to run up there and go get another one.
All right, frozen daiquiri Band-Aid delivery.
Yeah. Yeah, Logan told me that it was. Alright, this one's coming. This one's a little
The
bit
home
more.
point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Slow down, though. Like, keep going straight. Straight. Go straight ahead. Don't go too low. Straight ahead. Keep on coming. Y'all were going fast. Why you slow down?
Because it's a lot of, the weight of it is kind of just,
Makes it hard to
makes it
fly.
harder to fly because it gets to swinging so bad.
Gotcha. Alright, keep going. Come to your left a little bit. Alright, then come straight. You're dead on. You come straight on, you'll be right on Brooke's head.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Alright, come to your left. Come to your left. Alright, now come straight. Come straight. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Alright, now stop. Come down. Come down.
That's them right there.
Yeah,
Come down.
I am.
Back
Yeah,
up
but-
some.
Don't hit Logan. Don't hit Logan.
Keep on coming. Come straight down. You're right on top
You'll
of the
see the
road.
video when you're done.
Keep on coming. Keep on coming. Perfect. Alright, keep on coming. Keep. A little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect. Stop. Alright, got good. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
Are they cheering?
I don't know one to see. Look at everybody looking. Look at all these people looking at it. They're all like, what the hell?
Chloe, come over here.
They're jealous. I know they are that they can't get the drone delivery service. I love it.
Hilarious. Yeah, I see it. It's all
Yeah. Joker's a little bit hard to fly with that weight. You got to go slow. A little bit because it doesn't move very quick. I'm going to ask for some chips and tacos later or something.
Oh, step back.
I think the wind's pushing me into that. Perfect. Perfect delivery. Another, we're 1 for 100%. 2 for 2 now.